Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over the question mark operator. Now the first thing we'll do here is set a variable viewer and set it to 1 here. We'll save here just so it takes hold. The next thing we'll do here is print echo. After that you want to set a condition. In this case we're stating if viewer is greater than 1, then this you have a viewer statement will execute. If it's not true, the statement be yourself will appear. Now, it's important that you don't not forget the question mark there, because that determines whether or not the following statement actually execute. And so once again, the left side of the colon is what happens if it's true, and the right side is what happens if it's false. And that's all I wanted to show you today. Thank you for watching.